That is really sweet. Thank you. अच्छा, intention है, चलो एक intention है, मुझको ये काम करना है. What stops you?
Fear of failing.
Now this is your personal, huh? This is going to be personal. I don't know what it is, but you ask
Consist
yourself, what stops me? Fear,
Consistency.
consist,
Failure.
failure.
Not to be consistent.
Sometimes actually people
Confidence.
judge you, so that also gives you a setback.
Okay, so the judging from people. I don't know
Yes.
what stops you. Stopping could be anything, huh? Stopping can be a very vast area. Trust me on this. It's not one area.
Ma'am,
Fear
sometimes
factor.
the husband or your in-laws not support you, then also you can stop.
See? So always, Arva, don't you feel every time I want to do something, the behind thought in your mind is, what if they say no?
Yes, ma'am.
And then what happens? Sometimes hum khud ko, sometimes we say no to ourselves because of that. Don't you feel? Even before
Really,
asking
ma'am?
it, yeah, you're saying something.
Fear factor.
Fear factor. Fear is a big thing, yeah. Yes, definitely. Fear and
Trust,
doubt.
support.
Just support. So I am sorry, I forgot to say laziness. Okay, I forgot to say this, but if you're having, I see if you're sitting in my class, paper is a must. Yeah, I hope you're sitting with one. I'm going to make you do a fear busting exercise. है नहीं है तो ले लो जल्दी. This
Just give
exercise is
2 minutes,
very
we'll get
important.
it.
जल्दी कर लो. Okay, this exercise is very important. Trust me on that. 1 minute दे रही हूँ. And we have just 45 minutes together. Trust me, 45 minutes means when I leave you from this room, you'll be like, yes, thank God we came together. Because I want to leave you at a space where after going you do what you want, and you can do it. It's going to be a blowing exercise which we do today. So this is one of those exercises. So just जाके जो भी है लेके आओ. तब तक एक स्टोरी सुनोगे? Can I kind of share a story with you? There was this chess champion, okay? His name was Oris Hudson, and he was sitting with Jack Canfield. Jack Canfield is a very famous author, co-author of Chicken Soup for the Soul, 11 Principles of Success. Very famous author. So this Oris asks Jack, okay, you are doing, you're writing about me, and you're writing about my success story and things like that. And he's like, yeah, I'm doing that. So Oris says, success to me, Jack, is to get, the locks are there, and to get the correct combination in that lock so that it opens. Okay, it's to find the correct combination for the lock to open. But the only issue is that sometimes you may have all the right numbers, but that doesn't open the lock because it's not in that combination. So some of you might have the numbers, for some of you it's missing. Now what's there, what's missing, ये तो story था, but human language में there are things that stop us, and we will have to deal with them. So how do we deal with them is the idea here. So everybody is ready with the paper.